I'm Rohit from MAXHUB. I head the MAXHUB Corporate Series division here in MAXHUB India. So here I'm today talking to you guys about our latest launch that we have done in InfoComm 23. And this is our Microsoft series of products, which is an MTR certified X-Core kit, which is an MTR room kit is what we have launched. This MTR room kit is something that we have launched with our own PC, which is coming in 3 flavors in i3, i5 and i7, and also with our tabletop controller. So with this, we are also having our series of peripherals with which you can convert any of your rooms into an MTR certified rooms. The beauty about this particular product is any of your existing BYOD rooms can also be converted into an MTR certified room with the help of our X-Core kit. So that's about our MTR launch, what we have done, and we have much more to come, which we'll be showcasing it to you in the further videos. This is the second product that we are showcasing here today, which is again a brand new launch that we are going to do in the InfoComm 23 show here in Mumbai. So this product is known as our V6 Transcend series, which comes under our corporate series of displays. And this basically is a capacitive touch machine which is running on a Windows operating system. It's a pure play Windows. So any customer from an SME customer to an enterprise customer will be able to use it in their network. And they'll be able to use it for their hybrid meetings, they'll be use it for their virtual meetings and so on and so forth. These devices comes with an inbuilt wireless mirroring through which you will be able to use your BYOD and BYOM functionality. And this also comes with an 8-array microphones, 40-watt speakers and a 48 megapixel digital zoom camera and an 8 megapixel optical zoom camera. And the best thing about it is this comes with a motorized camera, which is a flip over camera, which I'll just show you right now. There you see the motorized camera, which is flipping on top and basically which will give you a field of view of 78 degrees. And this also has a active speaker tracking functionality. So any speaker who speaks in a vicinity of 8 meters, they'll be focused and brought to the center of the screen. Not only that, you can also have a manual digital PTZ also, where you can manually focus on any particular user from the controller that is available on the screen. The main USP of this machine is this takes care of up to around 8 peripherals, from your camera, microphone, speakers, to your PC, to your wireless mirroring device, to your whiteboarding, and so on and so forth. Now, when we talk about whiteboarding, the true USP of this machine is that this has a whiteboard, basically, which has an inbuilt collaboration tool inbuilt. That is, this collaboration tool is called as a MAXHUB Co-Whiteboard, which basically allows 2 of MAXHUB displays to interact with each other over the cloud. The beauty about it is you don't need to be on the same network, you can also do it just through the internet. And it will carry the screen as well as the voice. So all in all, this is a product that we call as an all-in-one series. The all-in-one is basically a name given because it takes care of your every meeting requirement. From your local presentation, from your virtual presentation to your video meeting and so on and so forth. So that's MAXHUB Transcend series displays for you.